What's going on, my friend? Eric Ellis Jr. here with EricEllisJr.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online in 2018 from scratch. If you've been looking to make money online, you might not have a dime to your name, or you've been trying to figure out how to actually get results online, or where to get started, this is going to be the perfect video for you. Stay tuned.
Over habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
Alright guys, so let's get right into the nuts and the bolts. There's two ways that I'm going to go ahead and recommend how you can start a profitable online business from scratch in 2018 so you can make this your best year yet. Now, before I go in depth, I'm going to go ahead and name the two items. Number one is going to be a service-based business, starting a service-based business. And number two is going to be digital marketing, right? Learning how to push products online to generate an income. And even if you have $0 to your name, right, these methods are going to be applicable. You can start applying them as soon as today so you can start hustling and bustling and quitting that damn 9 to 5 so we can get you out of that rat race, right? Now, first and foremost, if you haven't subscribed already, click the button somewhere around here so that way you can join the family, right? And I can help you live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. Because I do daily uploads teaching people how to crush it online, in business, and in their life. Now let's get right to it. Service-based income. What is a service-based income? Let's first and foremost break down what is a service. A service is providing some sort of, or solving some sort of problem, right? Or if somebody wants to outsource something, you simply go ahead and provide a service to that person. An example, if your oil needs to be changed, you pay for a service of the person changing the oil, and them actually changing the oil. In exchange for that actual service, they're going to go ahead and do what you need to do to get your oil changed, right? So there's two types of ways to make money, period. It's either selling a service or selling goods, right? Goods or services. So number one, go ahead and sell a service. What is something that you're good at? Are you good at social media marketing? Are you good at Facebook advertising? Are you good at consulting, right? Now, here's one thing that I want to say. If you're doing something pertaining to consulting, right, make sure you're an expert within that field. Don't become a consultant or a success coach and you haven't been successful, right? Me personally, what I do is I do digital marketing consulting. That's just an extra income stream. Why? Because I've got results, right? I'm still don't consider myself an expert, but above average results is what I get. An expert is somebody who literally has 10 years experience. I'm not even old enough to have that much experience, right? So choose wisely on something that you're going to be consulting in. If you want to do like social media marketing, do you have a large Instagram following, right? The worst thing is when people reach out to me and say, hey, I want to provide a service for you. I want to help you. I have 12,000 followers on Instagram. Make sure, by the way, you follow me on Instagram at Eric Ellis Jr., right? Now, here's the thing. People are like, hey, I'll help you grow your Instagram, but they have like 300 followers. I'm like, how are you, who has 300 followers, going to show me how to increase my following when my following smashes yours, right? So you have to leverage yourself as an authority. Whenever you're providing a service, make sure you have social proof. Social proof is simply, if you're going to teach me how to grow my following on Instagram, have a lot of followers. If you're going to go ahead and help me as a business when it comes to social media marketing, have experience in that field, right? Don't provide a service with something that you don't know. Now, what's pretty cool is the reason why you can start this from scratch is because providing a service usually there's no capital, right? Now, obviously, if you're changing oil for people, then you're going to need to buy the oil, or you're going to need to buy all that extra stuff, right? So the magical thing about online is that you can actually provide a service to somebody with no cost, right? All you need to do is learn how to close clients. And there's plenty of videos online. Maybe I might make a video in the future of how to close clients, right? But it's simply reaching out to people, a targeted audience, people who actually could benefit from your service, and it's law of averages, people, right? The more numbers, the more no's you get, the closer you get to that yes. So reach out to people, have a price on whatever service you want to offer, and I can't create a full video on services, right? There's a million services. Do your research. What do you enjoy doing? What are you passionate about? And is there a marketplace for it? Are people actually paying people to do or outsource that, right? So that's number one. Create a service-based business and put a target goal that you want to accomplish. Is it an extra $2,000 a month, right? How many clients? If you're charging $500 per client, all you got to do is 4 clients. And then there's 2 things, right? You're either going to be able to scale, right? You're going to get better and you're going to be able to charge people more. Or number 2, you're going to be able to scale by bringing employees on board and increasing the amount of customers that you can provide that service for. So that's number 1. Number 2 is going to be a little bit quicker, right? Is called digital marketing. Now here's the thing, right? You're probably watching this. If you're a beginner, you want to start from scratch, right? The easiest way, there's 2 ways, right? Selling your own digital products, right, that you create within your niche. But here's the problem with that. You have to spend the time, effort, and energy to create the product. Number 2, you have to be an expert within that industry to create the product, right? You have to create something else. Go through it. I'm just going to go on and on. It's going to cost you a lot of time, effort, and energy if you want to go ahead and sell your own products, right? And there's other things that you can sell like e-commerce, dropshipping, everything of that nature. I personally prefer affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply when you find a company, they have an affiliate program, right? Meaning they have a product or a service that they allow you to promote because they want to generate more money. They allow affiliates to promote it. And when an affiliate promotes it, they simply give them a unique affiliate link. Once you have that link, you simply go ahead and find ways to promote it, right? An example, you're starting a YouTube channel and you're interested in fitness. You can find a fitness product or a set of fitness products to search, right? You create a real brand and an authority by creating content, and you can do this for free. You can create a YouTube channel for free, or you can create a Facebook group, or any type of way, just building a following, and as you provide value to that following, a following where people know, like, and trust you, right? This is free. The only thing that you're exchanging is your time, which is fine. Stop being on Instagram or stop utilizing your time watching TV for things that don't put money in your pocket, right? Income-producing activities like creating a following in a brand. And you don't have to be an expert. You can literally find content that people are doing, like this video right here. It's the learn, do, teach method, right? You learn it, you apply it, you teach it, and by providing value, you're going to grow a following, and then you can simply drop that link here and there, right? And what's going to happen is that traffic who comes across that link, which is going to be very targeted because you're creating content around those type of products, right? The niche in your products and the content is all congruent, right? And then you're going to go ahead and get sales. With those sales, the company's going to go ahead and pay you a commission, right? Now, is it that easy? No. But it is a very simplistic business model that anybody can do. And to make it a little bit easier for you, I actually have an ebook called Affiliates Playbook. Go to the link in the description or grab access to it at affiliatesplaybook.com that can actually teach you step by step the fundamentals. It's literally 13 pages, how to actually do affiliate marketing. Now, if you actually do want to create a real business, right, and you want to go step by step and you want my personal mentorship, I actually have a course as well, right? You can go to jumpstartaffiliate.com or go to the link in the description and you'll simply, from A to Z, right, and have plenty of student testimonials and students who are freaking crushing it. Grab access to that and you can start an affiliate marketing business, right? Now, there's all types of things that you can do. Simply selling products online, right? Once you sell, you get revenue, you make money. You make money online in 2018. So that's it, my people, right? 2 things is, number 1, is creating a service-based business, right? You can do that absolutely free. And number 2 is learning how to push digital products online. Now, the easiest way is affiliate marketing if you don't have your own products, right? And the best way to do that is finding products within the niche and pushing those products and getting sales. And the way you do that is building a following and monetizing that following. It's called being an influencer. And again, if you want to go out and learn, I have a course, and I also have an ebook that you can grab access to. Now, hopefully you gained value from that. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. Number 2, drop a comment below. And last but not least, join the freaking family. Smash that subscribe button, my friend. Again, Eric Ellis Jr., appreciate you so much. Check it out, my friend. I'll see you on the next video.